exercise here is obviously we're looking for finding empty space. Hopefully you have already done that. So if you guys, I see a lot of you guys have already posted in the Sunday charting. If you guys are just tuning in, make sure that's where you are posting your charts. Just post the lists. What is it that so? And what I'm going to do is basically go through what you've observed to be empty space, whatever that watch list is, or look at the charts that you posted and go from there. So,
So,
no shot. There he is.
bro, I just waited in the craziest line for this food. It was nuts, bro. I was just in this line for like 45 minutes. Not even real.
Damn, bro. I thought you were doing something else.
Uh,
Clapping.
With the bread that
Clapping
you
some
got,
shit.
dude, you should have paid for like a spot in the line, dude.
they didn't have rice, bro. My bad, I'm eating. My
What?
bad.
They didn't have rice?
I'm saying I gotta wait for the rice, bro. I got caught up waiting for the rice.
All right. Well, I don't want this to be on YouTube, so anyway.
Oh, my bad.
No,
Alright, I'm
you're
here.
good. You're good. You're good. You're good. But we are going to go ahead and get started. So whatever sector, go ahead and post that. I am going to go ahead and just start with the first. And I see that Berg, I see that you posted yours. So I'm just going to scan through these things, and we're going to look at the 24-hour. We're looking for empty space, and we're going to make a watch list out of these things. Obviously, each one we can kind of mark. I'm going to do this on a piece of paper because I like to have it just in front of me, not like in a document. But we're going to write, which ones look like they are ready to take tomorrow or Tuesday or Wednesday, right? I don't want to know that you think this happens 2 weeks from now. That's cool, but and that's we obviously good to know. But we are also looking to make money this week. So the first one that I saw was AMGN. Hold on a second. All right, there we go.
Ooh.
All right, so AMGM empty space. Now, Burge, did you happen to find or chart those by chance, or if not, it's all good. Let me see. Okay, I see you did a few here, Lily. And I'm gonna move relatively quickly on these, and we'll just put them down, up, empty space up, empty space down, and does it look like something that we can take now? Now, this one definitely something that could be on watch this week. Is it already set up to? I honestly think this one could come down and move into this empty space. Obviously, I'm going to place this wick. That is empty space. That would be the retest level. That is 319.50 or 320. So does it have empty space below it? Yes. Does it have probably a nice channel or maybe even a potential one? Probably. Now, it could be a little bit more of an aggressive uptrend, and I might be tripping, so I'll just flip that really quick. Yeah, okay. Okay. So that also could be a factor here. Now, looking to our left, we are also building here, right? So ultimately, that wick is super important. That wick and that 326, I would be short. And if it comes back to down and bounces, then perhaps I would be long again. So do you trade for people at a cost? Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
That's crazy.
Well, I had a scammer acting like you message me today.
Interesting. The amount of people in the last 6 months who've gotten, I mean, these motherfuckers are relentless.
Yeah, he's like, "How's your trading going?" And I said, "Let me guess.
Yeah.
You want to trade for me and or give me signals?" And then I told him some very explicit stuff afterwards.
Yeah, so if you guys are listening, I will never just out of nowhere DM you for no reason about any sort of investment. I don't have copy trading. I'm not going to trade for you. I have one. I teach you how to trade, and that's it. But who the hell just got zipped into another fucking reality?
Yeah, it sounded like Jurassic World in there.
Also, you're really busy, bro. You don't have time to individually
Oh yeah.
message people. How was your trade? Like what?
So you didn't call me pretty after I said I was fat? Oh no, that was me. That was me. Yo, whoever's mic is open though, please mute that. It does sound you are either in a
Rooster.
children's park or a Jurassic Park. One of the two.
It's Rooster.
Same thing. Don't let the kids.
Get him.
If you don't move,
Get
the
him.
kids won't see him. All right. So AMGM, yes. Empty space. Is it a right now? No.
No.
Oh, I love that. This guy's in like doing the kindergarten thing. Answer with me, class. All right, class. Is this empty space or not?
No.
That list is for someone else. This is the one I wanted to look at.
You wanted to look at Pfizer?
Nope. That was just a list for someone else.
Oh, so I'm just out here doing nothing. That's crazy.
Yeah, go below your monitor post.
Oh, got you. By the way, yo, Jorge, look at the monitor right here.
Huh?
Look at, I will never miss
Oh,
a
yeah.
message again, dude. Look at this.
Yep. He's
What do you mean?
relentless now.
I'm on your Discord.
Sunday charting. Sunday charting.
Look, yeah, look at Sunday trading. I just tagged you. Just click on the attachment.
Yeah.
How
I
long?
think it's a mega.
Also,
Yeah, you'll never miss it with that.
I got one of those like yacht shirts, dude.
Mm.
I don't know. Peyton bought it for me. I told her to buy my. I said, style me up, and she did.
Damn.
Dropped like $700. So.
Full fit.
What
Everything.
brand are they?
Huh?
What brand are the shoes?
Oh, I'm not
Bottegas?
wearing. I wear shoes right now, but they're Gucci slides. You know.
Oh, nice. Which ones?
I have Yeezy slides.
Bro, you gotta get the Marnie slides with the fur on them, bro.
That's weird. You said my mic is a little low, TikTok. Hold on one second. How about, is that a little bit better? Mic check. Mic check. All right, so, haha, nice job. All right, scrolling up here. Damn, even this monitor is not enough. I'm gonna need a floor to ceiling monitor. We're looking for empty space. How far back do we go when looking for boxes? The most recent price action. So for your example that you just sent me, that would be a box, right? This would kind of be like a wider area. It doesn't have a floor right there. It doesn't have much of a ceiling. And then obviously, yeah, this would have been this is a floor, not a box. These are not boxes, by the way. That comes down, bounces, and just, that's it. Weeble Silent Trader? What the fuck? All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and start looking at the real list. Alex, which ones out of that list did you like the most? So,
Garrett, can I ask a quick question?
yeah, what's up?
Volume. How much volume? Like I disqualified a few that looked good because the volume was 500,000 or something like that. What range do we need to be at?
I mean, man, it's, you could look at Meta, right? Trades on average like it's got like 14 million, 11, anything in like I'd say probably like the 6 to, anything above 10 is probably a pretty solid amount of momentum, right? We go to Crocs and you look at Crocs on the 15-minute, it has 1.8 million, stays sideways. You go look at the Qs. Well, that's the Qs. Can't really factor that one in. But each stock actually carries its own fucking volume. So I don't know. I look at the way that it actually trades, right, volume-wise, rather than like focusing. I don't actually really look at the volume at all. I don't know if I think I've said that before, but I don't look at the volume at all. As far as market cap or like average volume, yeah, there's like a nice 10 to 15 million would be okay. But at the end of the day, that could increase, that could decrease. The market can chop. So the way that, like, if you go look at God, what? Maybe Snap. No, Snap actually is trading with some liquidity. I don't know. iBio, right? Like if you move down here on the 5, that's what trash. The absolute. You cannot trade this. You can't. That's like the worst of the worst. And there's some stocks that even Snow, which has its days, also price action wise doesn't always carry great volume. So it took me a year to realize his name was Garrett. That's funny. The higher the market cap, the more liquidity, though, generally speaking. So just as an FYI, that's what I'm looking for. So, all right. Corey, you have your list?
No. I can go to chart consumer services. I have one. I have a list that no one did. I have one that I can knock it out quick.
You're good, dude.
But,
What?
Everybody else is in here that should, like Alex has his. A
Mhm.
lot of these.
Yeah, I got mine. I'm just organizing it right now.
Yeah, guys, try to post your charts all in one because now it's all spread out. I can't go through people's list.
Oh yeah,
Like
Jorge, I did commercial services.
That's what I did.
Yeah,
Okay.
I see that.
I think we go look, right, and say like, okay, who did this, and then post your charts, or no? I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I like that idea, Jorge.
Yeah, I want everybody to start posting these charts because I'd rather look at what you've already got and say this looks good. So
All right, so Stelio, what sector do you have?
I have energy.
Can you post all your charts that you thought looked good from energy?
Yeah.
Were you posting Sunday charting?
Yeah, let me yeah, I'm gonna do it right now.
Chinese food is just so mid over.
You got a problem with my people?
Oh my god.
I was talking to Stelio earlier. He said he's never seen A Christmas Story, and I was like, "What?"
No, you haven't seen that movie? The movie's awesome.
Yeah,
I
never
was
seen
talking
it.
about the part at the end when they were at the Chinese joint because their Christmas dinner got ruined. Fra-ra-ra-ra-ra. Fra-ra-ra-ra-ra.
all right.
I
So
mean,
Upturn, I'm gonna
What's up?
I'm gonna do yours since it's all grouped together, guys. If you're posting charts, you want me to look at them, go ahead and group it together, repost it. Okay. Whatever it is that you found that has empty space, you like it, looks good, do it. All right.
Do it now.
So this is from Retail Trades or Retail Trading, and you definitely more empty space up, right? I like your channel. Channel looks good. Could expand, right, and come down here. I could see actually that working out pretty well, but doesn't have empty space necessarily as much down. Most of that empty space has already been tested. Somebody's mic is open.
Garrett, real quick, sorry to cut you off. Is this recorded?
Yes, it is.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, no problem. All right.
Already.
So yeah, channel looks good. Empty space would probably be a good day trade to the upside, but I'd like to see the weekly chart on that one. All right, let's look at the next one. So same thing. I guess you could say this same thing to the upside. This one doesn't necessarily look. It's on the weekly, but empty space is definitely below you. That's not going to. I honestly could. When you see a gap up like that, that would serve as a floor. So this is definitely something that could even go sideways before it ended up breaking down all the way. So just careful on that one.
Damn, I thought I put the Amazon Weekly. My bad.
All right.
I can post it.
Yeah, do that. So anyway, Walmart does have empty space. It's a yes or no, right? And yes, it does have empty space below, and technically about Costco, 1000%, right? Absolutely more empty space to the downside. Eyeing that wick as a potential target. Yeah, there's. Oh my god. Yeah, I don't do any of the ICT stuff, but that's funny. All right. So anyway, yes, we have the empty space. That's good. I'd like, obviously, to maybe zoom out on this one. So let me see what I can do here. Okay, so that's actually probably good that you do the 24-hour as well. You can see a little bit more structure there. That could be interesting. Now, I guess that would be more or less. I want to give it that top because I can see you stretch out to try and.
Hey, yo.
What? Oh my god. That's crazy, man.
I can't figure out how to add that weekly to that same thing. I'm trying to edit the message and it won't let me.
I like that one though. I like that one. Costco could be it. Yeah, I do like it. But I like that. I think it starts trending, which what I mean by that is you've had that bigger move down. Somewhere hidden in this motherfucker is the possible. Yeah, there it is. So you have a box. So I would make sure to kind of, again. So here's what I want, right? To out of each stock is I want to know that at this point, like if you wanted to look at Costco, what would the first immediate trade be? That's probably what you're going to trade on Monday. We're sitting on top of this box over here to our left, right? There's empty space above us. So there's an immediate trade, and I typically like to do it this way, looking at the 24. I'll look at that daily high above 822.63 up into that 834, right? That's the first immediate trade. So sure, if you want to trade Costco, if it even has that momentum to do that. But that would be the first. So empty space day trade wise, right? That's probably a pretty damn good move. I'd say from 820 to fucking 832. Does the contract's risk to reward make sense? See what I'm saying? So now, not so much. Not so much. So one thing that's going to help you guys choose better contracts is knowing which target makes the most sense to you risk reward wise. We know that the contracts on Costco are going to be expensive. So,
yeah, the 845s are $1.58.
Mm-hmm. Yo, Jorge, you should start looking at charts too.
What happened? I'm sorry. I just got
Whoa,
back.
oh my god. Dude, this guy's got a girl, dude, in the house right now. I swear to God.
No.
He's running off to make out. I swear to God.
It's
True.
No,
What are you
pay-per-view.
hiding from us, bro?
pay-per-view.
Bad communication. Why? What'd you say to me though?
Get to work. I'm just kidding.
When you do settle down and you get your shit charted, you should start looking at other charts too if you want kind of siphoning through this list with me. Or not, it's fine.
Okay,
I didn't finish the whole sector, but I got like a quarter way through.
You don't need the whole sector. Don't spend
Oh.
time. Yeah, okay.
I was I was skipping ones that didn't look good, obviously.
Yeah.
But,
Okay.
But yeah, 100%.
All right, let me go grab another drink really quick. Thank you, Neil. Appreciate you. Check the fit.
Damn, my charts drove him to drink.
All right.
Hallelujah.
What sector were we on?
Right here. See that?
I don't see. I can't see nothing.
Are you not on TikTok right now?
No, let me see.
What do you
Where
see?
are we leaving off though? Whose sector are we on?
Yes, Ali got
No,
one.
we're just going down the list right now on Sunday charting.
Going down the list, but do you want to do it sector wise?
Yeah, because then we can just like
Organize
whoever's
it.
got their sector done, and then we run through that whole sector, and then pick the next person, and then
Okay, well, right
Retail
now
trade.
I'm in retail trades,
Retail.
so we can just pick
who
whoever
did retail?
Yeah, whoever did retail.
Yeah, I did retail as well. Me and Upturn did retail.
Okay.
I grouped mine at the bottom.
Do you see the fit? No, that's fine. I don't need you.
WBG34 did retail trade also.
I'm live. Let me see your fit.
Oh shit.
God damn.
Wait, yeah, I'm trying to rate the fit too.
See what it is?
Is that a 40s and shorties? Oh my! I'll take a picture right now with that shirt. I got it right behind me. That's
You
hilarious.
have this shirt?
Yeah. Hell
Swagged
yeah.
up. I'm swagged up. I'll be right back.
Oh my god.
He's hip, you guys. He got the pass right there. All right, Gator. Which ones? Are these all the ones you posted, right? Okay, Amazon. He went through that one. Target. Did he go through this?
What sector you better do on, Jorge?
I'm on the
We
back
hadn't
burner.
gone through Target yet.
Okay.
Yeah, the Target one he has up on the screen now is mine.
Okay, so we'll compare what you guys have here. All right, Philly. What is daily? Weekly?
Weekly. I try to put everything on the weekly. I accidentally put daily on the Amazon.
All right, I'm looking at Gator's and yours. Target. Okay, you got a daily on yours. Gator. What do we got? 1, 2, 1, 2 in a box.
But did I not throw the weekly on Target on there?
I think you did.
I might not have. I don't know.
Actually, no.
Yeah, I think I did because I was showing like kind of the inverse head and shoulders on the weekly, which just to remind myself what I'm looking for.
I don't see it. See
Let me
24.
see.
And
All
then
right,
it
I'll
goes to
just throw
Lowe's
it back on
weekly.
there. All right. I'll throw both versions. I got a wider version and a
All right.
kind of zoomed in more.
All right, so for this sector, you had Amazon. We looked at it. Target. We're looking at it. Then I think you have Dollar General. G.
There's no reason for you to cut your chart like this, brother. Whatever this downtrend is. Uptrend, solid. Downtrend, you need to redo that one. Let's take a look at that. Let's do that together. Okay. So, I mean, I will not argue that Target definitely does have a lot of empty space above, well, more down, actually, I would say. And you have a solid 140 pound soft cost basis. Does this look like a tomorrow trade or this week trade? Not really. Maybe going to the floor. And that's the only way that I would trade that. I would have to move down here to a lower time frame where, sure, you could, honestly, this shit looks like it might pop up too. You gotta, it's so easy. Once you get, if it doesn't look good on the 24-hour, it'll look better down here. 4-hour right there, cost basis 150.66. A little bit of empty space, not worth trading to the upside. See if I can find a channel here. I don't like that at all. I'm not going to even do it. So yeah, I would say maybe if you want to go short below 146.26. Yeah, below 146.25, and I would be taking that one directly down to this immediate floor, which would be at 144.
Yeah, but something like that wouldn't really give us a great risk to reward, you would think, right?
Right, and so
that's what we're looking for.
That's what I was getting at. Is this could
Yeah.
open up right? Maybe 1, 2, 3, right? And finally this thing gets out. So if you want it, if the risk reward is set to increase, you have to look farther, and then it becomes a matter of, well, where can I set my stop loss if I want to get into this trade without knowing for sure that it is going to do that. Now, it's been in range, it's sat, and if you look at the weekly, clear that you've been ranging and you can continue to do so. 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe you cycle down for 3, then curl back up, or set a real downtrend in place. I think it's also, I haven't tried this, but I'll take a look at it. It's also possible that that empty space still gets filled up down there. But I would just be waiting for a break of range, because right now, yes, the hey Jay, go away, dude. I don't really want to. You're wasting your breath. So anyway, you are in range, right? 1, 2, 1, 2. I would just leave it alone, and you have a really clear signal below us, right, where we have cost basis. If we punch below that 50% mark, I would start looking at target short, below. There's no way you're making money out here, dude. So yeah, skedaddle, baby.
Yeah, you whatever ones you like, you're writing down for a list.
Yeah, if I do like them.
Okay.
I'll like
All
'em.
right.
So I don't like it. I don't like it personally. Just wait for the signal. Just wait for a signal. It's that simple. There is a trend. I know there is trends right here. So maybe curl up, pop through, but yeah, that's too much. The market.
Would you not run a trend off that bottom, like the most recent? Like go to and keep going right there. No, yep. Would you not run those 3 up? Like run one from, you know what I'm saying? Would you not run it? Would you not run it from move over to your right, to the next low to your right? You follow me?
Oh, right here, this one.
Right there. Yeah. Would you not? Is there not 3 going from there up
Sure.
on that bottom?
Yeah, sure. You could attempt to bounce that, right? But it would probably be something I would take at market close, because you would towards the middle to end of the day, you want to know that it's going to hold that bounce. Unless that bounce is just absolutely crazy and starts breaking levels, do what you got to do. But the straightforward answer here for me is hot dog doo-doo water. Unless again, you go down and break cost basis, then it's the end of target. All right.
All right. I think the next one was Phillies, and it's It's Ross. His Ross chart.
Make sure your mic is muted. Also, I know you didn't finish washing that dish. That was like 3 seconds right there, dude. Tighten up. All right. So what do we have next on the retail trade?
Ross.
Ross. Ross.
It's ROST, yeah.
I just, Now, I think right off the bat, is this something that we trade tomorrow? Probably. Nope. Yep. See how that right there showed me. Do you guys see that right there? I get that question. How do I know whether I should run it off the top or the bottom?
Yeah.
Makes sense. Whatever one makes the most sense, right? That makes a hell of a lot more sense than whatever the fuck I just drew in the first one. So, it's a double top. So you left empty space all the way down to that floor. So as far as the weekly is concerned, right? Maybe we're moving down to fill that a little bit of empty space within. All right. Please God, mute your fucking mics. Whoever, if your mic is open, if I have to mute you, I'm not unmuting you. That sounded pretty stern. I meant it. Okay. Bye. See ya. I mean,
I got it.
thank you. Ooh, perfect. This one chart looks good, but it's still a wait. Right? Right? It doesn't, it's not clear. The weekly, 2 taps off the top, empty space down to the bottom. Maybe this is a fucking, double top, or whatever you want to call it. But ultimately, I would follow the trend. The trend on the weekly says trend is your friend, and you're still in an uptrend, right? So it could be somewhere down around 133 that we end up getting a bounce. And even on the 24-hour, you still have a notable uptrend. So, oh my God, did he use his wife's? Guys, everybody, if anybody has anything they want to say to Rusty Butt Rod Trader,
No way he's here.
and his new name is Becca. You'd see,
Interesting.
if you could
How
actually.
do you know it's him?
I'm glad you're here. Could you please tell your wife to quit calling me? I'm not interested. I'm not interested. But you keep working on
Becky's great. Becky's great though.
Oh, fucking great.
Garrett,
Yeah, what's up, brother?
you want me to send you the charts that we're going so you can just in our DMs, I'll send you the chart that they posted, and then you can quickly look at it and then look at the chart.
Sure. Yeah.
Instead of having to scroll through all these and find where we're at, I'll kind of keep giving you them.
Yeah, it's fine.
All right, the next one's CVS, and then that was Philly's chart.
Okay.
In our DMs.
If I, oh my, here we go with the empty space. You're gonna get a lawsuit. Becca, shut the fuck up. Oh my God. Rusty Rod.
How do you know it's him?
Who else? He always posts the same way. He copies and pastes his messages and keeps posting it over and over, over and over and over.
That's crazy.
I don't need to prove myself anymore. So
No, I was
this
just
one
wondering.
I do like, and I think this one goes on the list. So if you guys want to write this one down as a group, right? We're gonna probably be watching CVS. Now I see 60. What is that? 62. So 62 break. Yeah, waiting on the new throwaway account. Oh my God. Yeah, so 1, 2, 3. If this thing can manage a move over 62, this offers us a move to 64. 20. Now, I don't even need to look at the contracts to know that they are within our risk. I know CVS is something that we can play, so that's not a question. And I think that's something.
Are you going?
What?
Are you going 50% from that, like the break from the red candle? Is that what you're doing to figure out your target there?
Nope. I'm looking at the next floor above me, and that would be
Okay.
on the daily it's 64 or 65, right in the area. On the weekly it's 65.50, right? And then in the most recent price action, the target's somewhere around 60. Let's see, go back to the 24-hour. It's 68.55. Now this channel is 1, 2, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking aim for the top of the fucking channel, which falls perfectly in confluence, right, with these floors right around 65 and 66. So I like that one a lot. CVS is a on watch to potentially move this week. So I do like it. All right, what's next? Jorge?
Walmart.
Walmart. All right. So as far as immediate price action, right? We have a little fragment of 24-hour empty space that we've already dipped into. Let's look at the weekly. Now I already went over this one a little bit earlier, but it is hanging out, has a floor, weekly candle underneath 69.23, side maybe a leg down, right? 24-hour really doesn't give me a lot of information. So it's honestly something that I have to move down into a lower time frame in order to kind of get a better idea of what I'm looking at. So doing that, I think that's what we're dealing with, right? Something like that, where you have empty space, 2 cost basis around. Yo, Peyton, what is that? Oh, 68.20. So basically right in here, 68.20 breakdown. So Walmart, I don't really like that, to be honest with you. That's just me. I don't know why, but I just it doesn't look like something I would really want to play with the big old pull up like that from that wick. I think it's something that actually could whip it back up if you hold that floor of 69.29. So, how many 1,000% trades have you actually hit? Well, I haven't even kept. I don't even think I'd be able to. I have not been able to keep count. It has been a lot, fucking a lot. Especially this year. This year, especially. So, all right. So Walmart, not really gonna end up on the list. He does have boxes. It does have earnings. Now on earnings, that's a different story. All-time highs, $75 and $80 a weight, right? Does that happen typically on earnings? It does move decently, right? It does give pretty decent returns on some earnings. So I don't think it's a bad idea, right? But I would say 68.22. Maybe somewhere in the $64 area. So, and that would be the downside.
Hey, before you forget, or don't forget to add CVS to your empty space list.
Oh yeah, look at you. Thank you, dude.
Yeah, no problem, man.
Such a helpful little guy.
Nah, because
Little guy.
Who you calling small?
the next one was DG. Did you guys go through Dollar General?
No, what the fuck?
I haven't been in Dollar General a long time. I was gonna tell a joke right now, but I definitely get banned off TikTok.
Do it.
I
Sorry,
it
bad
now.
influence.
Damn.
Bad influence.
Type it in the
I'm
Discord.
glad you said that because I had to be disciplined. You know what I mean? I'm trying to teach you guys. You guys don't listen to me. You know?
This is one big ad.
Who tried backdooring it? That's actually fun.
Yeah, you
That was click. That was slick.
Yeah, right? Weekly, yes. Now, I like to look left. Every time I see a candle bounce, guys, every time, right, I will grab the line and I will go see what the fuck did it bounce off.
Hmm.
And what did it hold?
Lower.
Right, 117.40. Found it. The stock's going to tell you what it's doing, right? So now we adjust that a little bit more. So that looks like a floor. I see a little box right there. And that is fucking perfect, right? So I take this little line. I set my alert. I drop my line. And I set my alert. And I leave it the fuck alone because that's my signal. Roger?
Roger.
Yes, sir, Mr. Krabs.
Also, where did you get that stock light behind me? Fuck, where did I get it? I don't know, but I just spent $196 on another one. It was I should. I regretted the purchase, but I want it, so I don't. I just regret it because I feel like I have to.
Interesting.
It's so frivolous. All right.
So you would take that at cost basis and not the break of that box, the smaller box on DG.
I guess you are sitting at cost basis now. So the break of the lows, right? 116.30.
Yeah.
Try and take it there, or take it underneath 114.44, and you're trying to eat that empty space up below us.
I see.
The most I made in a week, $98 million. No.
Minus $98 million.
Minus $98
Plus.
I've made about 64,000, I believe, was one of the highest weeks I've ever.
That's dope.
But that's
Congrats.
not really counted the putting my long account on or long account together with my, because I've had gains well over that with like Elf ripping up and then like the other plays that we've taken. Like I've had some really good weeks with equity. So all right. I'm out. I hate when people get that.
Yeah.
So there's about how many people in the Discord? Jesus Christ. Dude, I love this new monitor. I can see every single one of you. Go ahead and try and go ahead.
Can't see me.
Try and I literally can see you. Go ahead and try and touch that soundboard next time I turn it back on. If I ever do, God damn it. What's the next one, Jorge? What's the
Lowe's.
Next? Lowe's.
Lowe's.
I'd rather have
avocados from Mexico.
Sorry.
Bro, we gotta turn this guy's soundboard off. He's getting out of hand.
No. So you whipped out, you liquidated the box, and got pulled back in on right going into dividends, and now you've boxed yourself up back again. Still waiting on that empty space up above you. Let's go ahead and remove this. Start fresh. Down. Yeah. I see the possibility of a choppy. Yeah, right there.
Oh, that's that fucking triangle bullshit.
It's one of those triangle bullshits. Possible, but we're not gonna go that far. So, let's see. Let's start again. Okay, seeing some signs, right? Box. Ooh, I almost want to box it all up now. Okay, so here's a good answer. Is this an immediate play? I don't think so. Right? It has to be outside of this box. That's fun. That's funny. Yeah, so that's what I see now, and this is where, yeah, I gotta be a stickler. I'm gonna tell you straight up, 228.88, take it short. It's that simple. Otherwise, it's in a fucking box. So the 4 hour, even worse. 1, 2, 1, maybe 2, right? Can look for that. Now, here's what I will do. Yeah, right, Jorge. Right, Stelio? Yeah. I was like, sorry.
You're
Oh my
I was
God,
gonna
dude.
say a NSFW word, but I
Get
didn't.
going.
It's provocative.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're gonna. Yeah, I probably shouldn't say that ever again. I'm gonna say. Never mind. That sounds even worse. All right, so we're gonna set an alert at 244.71, and then you can start looking for that 251.50 trade. But I leave it there. Okay, what's next?
Lulu.
That was beautiful, dude.
Nah, because I couldn't remember what it was. Yeah, Lulu.
He said, Yes. Oof. Oof. Now that has empty space. That has empty space for sure. Now let's go ahead and go on a delete party here. Oop, nope. Somebody's mic is open. Yeah, I got it. Gotcha. Ain't nobody getting away with nothing. My super long monitor.
What? Excuse me?
Flip that.
Hey, yo. This guy's supposed to be teaching us about stocks.
Oh, yes. Oh, dude. Like the guy from Star Wars.
Oh, Obi-Wan Kenobi?
Look at the gap. Yeah. Right? Bounce back up. Really, you didn't close and grab anything, but you have bounce, which means you're probably going to go a little sideways before you do anything else. Let's look at the. I sound like that weather guy. 4 hour, 2 hour. I see a box coming. So do this. Open outside of 254.17. Maybe, right? Let's go to the hourly. I'm gonna make quick work of this shit. That's quick math. Right? Little channel there. Definitely could see a new low. Personally, I think if you want to go short on it, maybe let it cook a little bit longer. Maybe let it fill up that empty space and go hit 269 first. But ultimately, the goal would be build something like that. So maybe sideways down here and then curl back up. I think you go sideways and then pop and then drop. You're moving, diddly boy, diddler. So as far as Lulu is concerned, maybe on watch, since it did just have earnings, right? Am I correct on that? No.
No.
Okay, then never mind. Maybe that's an earnings trade. Honestly, that's an earnings trade. Because
September, let's go.
Right? Okay, so this is what would make an earnings trade for me. Now, how are 280 contracts? That would be the question. You could probably buy those a couple weeks in advance if they're cheap now, going into earnings, which looks like it is September 5th. So maybe wait. Maybe wait until like 2 weeks before, and then you could possibly start buying Lulu. So anyway, maybe no. No.
You gotta be honest with us. It's shit.
Sometimes I just don't want to hurt you. All right, what's next?
Next.
Copart. I don't know what the ticker is.
I'm gonna cry now.
Am I looking at this correct? COPART, I believe.
Say that again. See what?
Copart. Yeah.
What does that Weeble button do? Sorry to distract, but I just
That's my Webull connect. It's connected to the small account, which doesn't really do anything because it doesn't show the positions on the actual stock that I'm trading. So stupid.
Damn.
Yep.
It's just there to be there. So
yeah, guess so.
a cool button.
Cool
yep.
button.
That's what I want you to think.
Hot dog water.
Beautiful.
That is a bloody wreck. Yeah, I don't see that. I mean, maybe there's potential in an explosive move out, right? With something like, yeah, that's on par. So honestly, I would rather take this one fucking up, try to take it up than take it down, because it's got all all these outposts, if you will.
Mm-hmm.
So no, I don't really like that. You want me to chart Ron Jeremy coin? I'm sorry, brother.
But why not though?
No fucking. I mean, no way. No way he's real.
I'm good.
Yeah, I'll pass on that one.
Whatever, dude.
I don't even want to be associated.
All right, that was retail. What was our takeaway?
CVS.
Okay.
Yeah.
CVS and possibly Dollar General.
Yeah. In dash.
Hey,
like
if you
that.
will,
And
in the
Lowe's look good
retail,
too.
in the retail, I think eBay has earnings this week, and I hadn't been played. I know it's a joke, you know, people mess around about it, but I was charting it this weekend, and to me, it looks like there's a lot of potential to like target
One's gonna move.
the moves based off of where it's at, because it's you typically gonna get about a five-ish $6 move. And I looked at the contracts based on where we are. We're boxing up right here, and I got us in a 24-hour uptrend, and I got like 60, 61 area to the top, and 50, 49 area to the bottom. And those contracts are like pretty affordable. So would that not be something we would want to like keep our eye on? Because I think it has earnings like on Wednesday or something like that.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Earnings, yeah. I don't see why not. I mean,
That would be day of, right?
maybe a couple days before. It depends on if it's on Wednesday, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and trust that that's the date. If it's on
Yeah.
Wednesday, then you can grab weeklies.
Right. Absolutely.
But maybe you grab them on Monday. Okay, so there is a little secret sauce in the earnings trades. Some of you
Put
guys
it on my plate.
some of you guys may have noticed that when you buy option contracts a couple days before, both the downside, if you grab a straddle, both the downside and the upside, if they're already cheap, will increase in value just because. And sometimes you'll be up 100%, and if you grab a couple contracts, you can sell a few. If you're up 100%, you can sell one, right, or sell a couple, and give yourself a little bit more cushion to let those go. So that's a option. But now, eBay also, I think it's something where I look at earnings, right? Like earnings right here seems to do pretty good, and the days following here not so great. Here, decent, and it falls afterwards. Here, trash. But what's the difference here, right? We're really here we've been just chopping ass for what, 3 earnings? I guess we got 1 rippy, 1 nothing, and we're running back into another one. So with the way that we're pent up, yeah, I would say there's potential in that chart.
When it chops like this, is like
I
more
see.
likely to make a big move, huh?
Yeah, I'm straddling. I would straddle it,
Okay.
really.
Right.
Something like this.
That's kind of why you took McDonald's the way you did too, right? Same idea.
Yep, exactly. Same idea.
I kind of saw the same thing.
Yep. All right.
That's the end of retail. The next one would be commercial services. Pharma did it.
Okay.
Stickers. The first one's PayPal.
How many more do you have before you get to energy?
Do I need to DM you these, or how are we doing this?
I mean, you could post them just in Sunday charting, and like anyone that's in the Discord can look at and see kind of what you
Okay,
saw.
I'm gonna drop them right now.
All right. Probably a little bit. I think we still got a little bit to go. I don't know.
Yeah, I posted mine earlier.
I'm trying to go as quick as I can too, without giving.
No,
you
don't worry about it. Don't even stress.
analysis. All right. You guys are on TikTok with me. Thank you guys for tapping your screen. I really do appreciate it. Thank you.
PayPal has got earnings this week. It has earnings pre-market Tuesday.
Do you say PayPal?
PayPal.
Hey, that's a good idea, dude.
Look, I'll pray for it if that helps.
No, dude, whenever you feel like you got demons on your back, dude, you just call somebody. You get on PayPal.
Oh, Garrett.
Like Tinder on preachers, and pick one to pray for you. I'm sorry. What's up? What?
No, he has to call you.
Hey, Garrett, and then nothing. Man, just like my dad. All right, let's go.
Yeah.
PayPal. PayPal has a floor. He said that's not a bad idea. I could actually profit from that. Go for it, buddy. That's all yours. I don't want that one.
All right, I'm putting $1,000 in it.
Yeah. Tell us when you're so.
I got you.
It could be a Christian dating site. Yeah, PayPal. That's crazy. Or
That's
a Christian sugar daddy site. No? Okay. All right.
They already have one of those.
57. Let's stop. $57. There is a potential in this uptrend here. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe a little bit of sideways action there. 1, 2, 3 off the top. 24-hour. You're bouncing. You got a lot of bounces down here too. So 2 there. Okay, so yes and no. I think this one is worth it because it's at the floor and has empty space up to 59. But that empty space would give us the opportunity to take it and have it move up. Now, how do we take that? It's probably going to be the hourly here. And it looks like it's dead slap over 58.52. And then we got a little bit of empty space, maybe 60.24. There's a little bit of a downtrend here on the hourly as well. I see $60 retest. So.
Not this week.
I have a quick question.
Nah, maybe 2 weeks out. What's up, brother?
So you know how like on the 4-hour right now it looks clean.
Yeah.
There's only red candles.
Yeah.
I get confused sometimes because I'll see that and I'm like, okay, this is like a flush, and then I'll go down to like the 1 hour and I'll see some green candles. On the would that mean that the move is gonna take longer than expected?
It can possibly, but I would say more or less.
Just play the higher time frames, huh?
Right, because a higher time frame empty space with an open above that resistance is good, right? That's what you want to see. So when I look at this PayPal chart on the 4-hour, it actually looks good where you have the floor right here, and I can see that's what we're fighting off. So I would look over here, right, and at the top of that candle, or that high, and above that, you would then start looking to take it up to 59, right? And if that is holdable, then maybe the rest of that empty space, and then that downtrend that we just spotted on that hourly 4-hour chart, right? So somewhere around $60. It lines up on every single time frame. So daily time frame over daddy time frame. Okay, that's wild. If I want to start tomorrow, what do I do? If I want to start tomorrow, what do I do? I mean, I'm not gonna pretend like my shit isn't. If I was to start over again, I certainly hope or wish that I would have had this. So I think the Potterbox Workshop is a great place to start for beginners. So that's on my website, but that's about it, man. I wouldn't really direct you anywhere else because I don't believe in anything else. Maybe TT, if you want something like longer term and you're willing to hold, you want swing trading, maybe you're busy, you got a business, you can't day trade. TTI, who's the Trading Initiative, is one of the best swing traders on planet Earth. So I don't endorse anybody. We've never given each other $1. Me and him we ain't like that. All right, so yeah, maybe don't trade SPX at first. Maybe don't trade it. Yeah, also another way to start is you could go to my YouTube. It doesn't have a lot of the beginner stuff, but learn how to build persona bosses and management. That's pretty cool. Nice. All right. So anyway, PayPal. I'll write this one down as a tentative maybe. Okay, it's not perfect, so I'm kind of putting stars by the ones that are good, and then kind of like leaving the other ones out. So, all right. So again, if you guys are on TikTok, we are looking for large amounts of empty space. Everybody in the Discord right now is putting in work, trying to, or has already put in the work to find empty space throughout this sector. Honestly, the fact that you guys are even tuned in, you guys could just listen, tune in, and really fucking get away with some fire ass analysis.
Murder.
Yeah, seriously. If you have a request or something like that, you pop in the Discord. You can maybe drop it in there, but I don't know if I'm gonna get to it tonight. I'll try. Yeah, what's
The
up?
next one was A.
A.
Letter A.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know what that is.
The Legion. Okay,
The
so
first stock.
being held underneath cost basis right now on the 24-hour velocity. Same thing with the 24-hour. Lots of empty space. Lots of empty space. Looks like the bid is up. Excuse me. Who did that?
All right, I got a question.
Oh Lord, what's up?
Why do you want like using that that box that we punched through already, or that we like dipped through that one?
This one, why don't I like using it?
Why do you like using it? Because isn't that like not
No.
playable anymore, or why is it?
Has it lost the floor?
No, but we went through it earlier. No,
No.
that big red candle.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so Marcel, we've talked about this before in Sunday charting. Like when it's you're saying the box above us.
Yeah.
The move.
So go ahead.
The move through it, that box coming down the first time was so flush through that those levels are still valid.
Gotcha. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Still play it kind of the same way. Now, at an open, I think above 138 would be preferred. That would give you the open. Hey, Shem, absolutely fucking not. Shem, no. Get your ass out of here, dude. Go on. Get.
What the hell happened there?
Oh, nothing.
You
Go
need
on.
like a mod, bro.
Oh no, this one don't. Sorry. All right. So, yes, now the price action, that's something else to talk about. It runs when it runs and dumps when it dumps, and every other fucking moment of its existence is miserable trading conditions. So, what does that mean for me? 2 weeks out. 2 weeks out. Okay. That's it. Manny, you don't want. I'm gonna refrain from discussing any of that stuff right now. But you guys know what it is. If you want my opinion, you can go on Twitter because I can't seem to keep it to myself. So anyway,
Damn.
Jorge.
GPN.
Are you writing down A? Are you looking at that one?
Write that one down. It looks okay, but it's just not right now, right? It just the way that red, it would have to. Yeah, I just don't like it right now.
I feel like I look at this chart and I can almost say it doesn't look like it moves good, right?
Okay, so it's probably going to. It's probably
not
gonna,
A. I was looking at the other one.
Oh, we'll take a look at that one. If we take away the channel, which honestly we should, we should take this if we see it. But I think what would really be kind of like, yeah, I just want to see a close above that cost basis and or even above 130 or 140, and then I set an alert and I walk, like that's it right there. Set an alert, walk away. If it goes off, then I can take it there, set my stop loss, and try and take it up to 148, which 140 to $8 move, I can make some money on that.
So you would get 148 contracts or the 50% mark, whatever that is.
Depends on what the contracts look like.
Okay.
If contracts are 13 cents at 143, then by all means. But
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Because I was thinking like every time I see empty space, the target is 50% at all times. But that makes sense too. Okay.
Yeah. All right. What the fuck is that sound?
What the fuck is that?
That was weird. Do I trade binary? No, I'm straight.
Non-binary.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I do trade options.
That was a good one. that was a good one.
All right, moving on.
It was GPN that was next. What he said.
Yeah, GPN. This one I said when I looked at it on the daily right now. Those candles don't look like fluid movement. Fair?
Well, if we want a day trade, yeah, it probably doesn't. I mean, it does when it does the punch back. It does the punch back. When it does the punch down, it does the punch down.
Okay.
That was a bar.
Terrible. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Mustard on the beat.
Mustard on the beat.
Mustard on the.
Was that my hot mic that you guys heard?
Yeah. What was that sound, dude? It sounded like spaghetti.
No, I'm on my phone. It was my daughter playing with my dog, but I thought that you had to press the button.
Oh, yeah. I think I turned it off over the weekend. So.
Oh, okay. My bad.
Yeah, it sounded like macaroni.
Oh, Lord have mercy. All right, so yeah, today maybe not. Maybe a little bit more sideways. Macaroni with the chicken strips.
But on earnings though, right? I mean,
for sure. Yeah,
if we build up.
Oh fuck yeah, one
above 113
on earnings, no matter where it's at.
Oh, okay. Fuck.
Thanks. Yeah, I mean, this one's bounced off of that 98. Maybe it retraces back to touch cost basis or touch this trend line for the 1, 2, 3. That would be dope if it did. 4-hour time frame. Yeah, it looks like it's kind of a pretty weak sauce. Here's a little box on the 4-hour. Yeah, look at that. Problem fucking solved. I love that. You love that. I love that. Everybody loves it. We loved that. So yeah,
Fallout 4.
102.24 would be great. The villagers love that. All right. So is it a right now trade? No, it's a wait for the trigger trade. Right. So I hope what I'm doing right now is making distinct differences on what looks good, like immediately on a technical basis, and what doesn't. Is this immediate on Monday? Shoot the fucking no, unless we start punching through 103. Does your Discord have a lot of people who swing trade? Yes, there's pretty good amount of swingers in here.
Come on, Potter.
All right.
Whoa.
Yep. All right. What's next?
IPG.
You know I'd be swagging that thing.
Okay. You need to.
We're talking about swing trade, bro. My swing trade, man.
That's crazy, dude. You populating the earth.
Maybe I'm not.
What is this? Interpublic.
Bro read one Bible verse. It was like, bet.
Say less. Got you.
You need to populate.
What I was put here to do.
I got you, Lord.
Take my responsibility serious, man.
Mm-hmm.
Well, this looks interesting, no?
Yeah.
On a charts, I mean,
Inter-Republic group of companies? That sounds like some obscure fucking shit. Oof.
Oh, this is a weekly. Okay.
There it is. Gotcha, bitch. Well. Sure. On the weekly, it looks like it could punch through here, punch through there, try to go for the double wicks off of 35. Yatso, right? And then empty space up to 37.80. So, looks pretty good. Hold on one second. By the way, if you guys are here on TikTok, by the way, I opened up 5 more spots for the 5 months with the PBS workshop that is posted at 500.
Yeah, weekly open above cost basis. This could like happen this week, no?
We have to move down here now. So let's look. Now again, it does not move well. Right? It's not. It is something that we would have to. Now it has a gap up there at 37.50. I'd be fucking a shit and shrimp if that shit doesn't happen, dude. I swear to God, right there. Look at it. Gap on the 24 hours. So I definitely see, and then another one. So even on on a lower time frame level, 34 seems like it's the answer. So yeah, I mean, I think that if we can maybe even surpass this high, we take contracts that are 3 weeks out. Is it a day trade? No. Maybe speculative. Swing trade, IPG, I guess makes the list, not with a star, but we'll put it there. The peanut butter sandwich workshop, that could be a store. Yeah, I would sue you.
Hey, Garrett.
Uh-huh.
The on that IPG, the contracts for them, that's like they don't have weeklies. It's just like August 16th, September 20th.
Are they liquid as fuck?
There's open interest on the 33s, August 16th. I mean, not a lot. It's like 434.
That has to that matters as well, on whether or not we take it. So that's a whole nother story, y'all. Is we have to come to this get this watch list down, and then you have to look at the options, and then each person has to decide whether that's where it comes down to you. Some people
Right.
be able to do 70 contracts. Some people might be looking for 13. Your list is going to get smaller if you have less to use. So, hold on one second. I want to see this.
Yeah.
Sure. It does have empty space to $2.30. Watch a break at $189.90 or $189. All right. What's the next one, dude? I'll buy some me though. Yeah, you're gonna find me with that. Visa. Now, I was actually blowed that I didn't take that one on earnings because I called that that leg down, and I'm almost positive that. 3 weeks off that bottom, 252. Curled up, empty space. So what the answer here is, do you have empty space to 262? Yes. Is that fit risk to reward? Maybe, right? Did Visa have good earnings? I don't fucking know. You have to let me know, right? Is it in a channel that has 1, 2 off the top? And it's tough because part of me wants to still give it that channel, but regardless, it would have recovered it anyway, and it has to go and recover 260, 250.
It barely had good earnings.
Okay, then I mean, regardless.
It was they said its surprise was minus 0.21%.
Oh, wow. Mine says surprise of plus 0.002.
Yeah, Ahmed, you can see, bro, and I'll check.
Or 0.8%.
I've had a couple.
Oh, wait, no, I do see that. I'm looking at the revenue. My bad.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's like barely good at all. I don't know. It's probably not on mine.
All right. So, how do I see the ones you're liking? I joined the Discord and I can't see any. You have to be like a member of the Discord, but you can also see it on here. I mean, every one that I'm right now, I have CVS, Dollar General, PayPal, and IPG. CVS being the highlight right now. So, Visa, no. Right? Maybe up to that floor, maybe up to 265, but we could maybe give a little bit of better answer. Ugh, goddamn, dude, it never moves good. Look at this, I honestly could write that shit off and never fucking think about Visa. Visa has always been a hot dog using water stock.
Yep.
What you?
And that's
listening
weekly.
to?
He's at church right now.
I hear me like someone singing in the background.
That's me.
Sorry.
He's practicing.
Never heard your mic like that.
Never heard it like that. Why do you make it sound like that?
Not usually, I don't ever hear any. No, I don't ever hear anything in the background of your mic. Is what I'm saying. I don't think that's you.
Oh, it's just playing loud right now. That's what I'm listening to. All right. So, no. Fuck no. All right, what's next?
EFX.
No.
Hey, there's no liquidity in it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
OMC.
That's funny.
Yeah.
No, I didn't even look at the chart, bro. I can even tell you.
OMC has no liquidity either. I was looking at the contracts and they're Like I probably should have done that earlier, and I started looking at them, and I was like, oh, there's nothing there.
All right, what's next?
All
get
right,
GE.
we're gonna go with consumer non-durables. It was Tibbles. She only has 4. Tyson's Food.
Ooh, I saw that one earlier. That was good.
I don't know.
PSN.
Damn. God, them pebbles.
Yeah, she goes crazy, bro.
Mm-hmm.
Does, dude. You know what her answer is? She just worked hard, dude. Which means she's built different.
Yeah, man.
As the kids would say.
As the kids would say.
Uh-huh.
She has non-Ohio skibbity riz, dude.
Damn. Bro, this guy's hip like that.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all know that? I didn't know that.
You'll learn.
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
Yeah. Listen, on the weekly, this looks pretty good, right? I see this like this is the it's like 60. Well, we'll go up a little bit higher, but it looks like 63.75 is the floor up above you. So let's go to the 24. Okay, so a little scary, right, in terms of price action, but we can get past that. Put a paper bag over it. Okay. That was art right there. That was beautiful. Now empty space is here, right? So this is the job. This is the hit. We want that.
Yeah, we do.
Huh?
Nothing.
We left a little gap there. We filled that gap. Before, after. Okay, so I guess there is one weary part of me, I guess, in a way, where this price action's trash, right? You are up against a resistance. It does seem like you have, and you're going in earnings with that little channel right there, and that earnings date is August 5th, so not too far from now. So it's more of an earnings prediction, right? Where this chart definitely opens up the potential to move up into this. I mean, fuck, dude. The chart looks great. On the weekly, this is a weekly trade. And honestly, I'm going to make a call right now because this isn't a day trade. This is a longer...
2 weeks out.
No. This is 6...
PCI type vibes?
Jesus Christ.
This is 6 months out.
Wowzers.
Maybe 4.
Why do you feel like that? Oh, well, actually, it's obvious. Never mind.
Right. The way the weekly moves.
Yeah. I thought he was on the 24.
This is good, man. I think it's good that we're seeing charts that look kind of messy. The good trades don't.
Yo,
look
that
messy.
tripped me up so crazy.
But for real, I mean, you can just see, like, that's our... You grab next week's, right?
Yeah.
Cost basis, that's crazy. Cost basis is somehow holding, even when it's not real. But we, you know, can you handle a pullback that brings you all the way back down, or a rip up and then a complete fucking reversal build, and then that's gonna allow you to hold through that. Should I buy sold Nvidia? No. I can't answer that question, brother. I don't know where you sold, where you bought, what you did, why'd you do it. Yeah. His age might be hip replacement, but he's still hip. That's crazy because I actually have to get a hip replacement, so, which is just, you know, $160,000, so it's fine. Am I going to another country and risking my life there? Probably. Monster on the beat. Hope. Sorry, I saw your name. Calm down, dude. Calm down, dude. All right.
You ready?
Yeah.
TAP.
Hold on. Let's set an alert on this motherfucker. 6220. All right. MU is a bop. I know what that means. All right. What's next?
TAP.
TAP.
Sir.
Tap.
Yes.
Oh shit. That's Coors. Coors Light. Oh shit.
Nah.
Hey, on that last one, Tyson Foods, January 80s or
Farm-
230 a pop.
Pharmadoc, can you say Coors Light for me real quick so I can clip it?
No.
Coors
Light.
Coors Light. There we go. He said no. So this one was nice to get out of the $51 range, and you have above it.
Potter, your mic's muted on TikTok.
Mic check. Okay. What the fuck? Oh, it says no. It says it's picking up. You guys can't hear me?
Now it is. No, it is. I just couldn't hear you earlier on it, but I could hear the background music and everyone else. You're good. I just wanted to look out. That's all. You're good now.
Appreciate it. All right. Don't call me outside. There you go. All right. What do we got next? Tap stuff. Tap. Hey, tap above 55 if you really like. You got empty space to 57. Tibbles will probably make $1 million off of that shit or something.
I should buy 500,000 contract.
All right, what do we got next? You said sorry.
PEP.
Okay, so it looks like we're going to punch back. Box is off. You're at cost basis. Channel's fucked.
You're echoing? Or who's echoing?
Yeah, no, somebody has their mic open. Right?
I got him. Alright.
I ran out of time. Yeah, 172.62 is the cost basis mark here. The high that you're looking to break is 174.50. And then yes, this could be a trade. Yes. Yep. Write it down. And that one almost gets a star here because it does actually have that juice, right? Now that's 174 to 179, right? A little bit over a $6 move, maybe hitting that 180 mark. Definitely make it worth it. I believe the contracts for Pepsi are pretty good. Pepsi does love to move to its targets. Obviously, you can see right here. When the time is right, take that break, and it does move. So, yeah, if we can get it outside of 174.50, right, or even above, and it's trying to be weak, but
Then Pepsi got earnings this week.
It does. So my guess would be 170. I believe so. My guess would be 180 contracts. And now, does it move well on earnings is the question. No. Kind of. No. I don't see any extreme moves on Pepsi. So whatever you take on Pepsi is going to have to be longer. Maybe a week out past that earnings. All right. So Pepsi, yes, but obviously contracts are going to have to fucking... Oh, wait, no. Earnings is not till October. Yeah, it says earnings are not until October. So anyway, I see a move to 179, 180. And it's probably going to be 2 weeks out that we take it. So, all right, what's next?
IFF.
Oh, thanks for the gifts. CVS looks like the trade right now. I mean, I don't want to overcomplicate this one, but on the weekly above this weekly high at $100, you're looking for a run up to 111 and 116. Fuck. So set an alert. I'll write that down. It does move for like 2 days. It looks like it's 2 days of rippage, and then you better fucking take profit on anything that's shorter expiration contracts. So 108 on a lower time frame, or excuse me, 109 would be a target to the upside. So I'll write that down. It's not my favorite. It's not a day trade, but it looks pretty good.
That was consumers, non-durables. Jay Berg did health tech. First one was ABB.
ABB or ABB? Got it.
ABB.
ABB.
Hey, baby.
Would you get
Hey.
weeklies for IFF?
This can't be
Or
the
2 weeks out.
ABBV.
Got it. Okay. All-time highs. All right, so I mean, here's the honest bit. Here is obviously you guys know the deal. I can't give you anything other than what you see in front of you, which is you are above your highs, and above that wick of 186.31, you could look to try and take it to 190 and to 200, right? But fuck off.
Tell me how you really feel.
Sorry, somebody. I see these people, motherfuckers, following me. They own trading services, or they're just those person's copycats. If you have a trading service and you want to sign up with us, tell all your members that you're sorry, you lied to them, show me proof, and then we'll let you in. Okay? You there.
Nice.
So that's it. All right, what's next, big dog?
BMY.
Well, that's over. I don't want to take it. Holy shit. You have 5140. You've got a Potter box in the box, right, on the 24. Its floor's cost basis, $53 punchback into the empty space. So, unfortunately, we've missed what we see in front of us, but we can go ahead and start setting alerts for that next move up. This shit will make you want to chase it.
Hello? Did he disappear? Did I disappear?
No, I'm okay.
Oh,
These cheese puffs kind of got me.
twisted.
Mm.
Screen stopped moving.
My favorite cheese puffs are the honey ones, bro. You ever had those?
What?
I love those.
Sounds
Oh
like
my
a shit.
god.
What's bro? No, I fuck with these right here.
Hell yeah. What brand are what's those? I can't see your screen.
Barbara's. I fuck with Barbara, dude.
Barbara?
Delicious. They're grass-fed grass chips. No shit. Make a body do an ollie. That's crazy. All right, what's
Next
up?
one? JNJ.
I don't like the white cheddar ones as much. White cheddar.
Hey, where was the
White cheddar is gross to me, bro. I'm not even gonna lie.
Cheddar, dude. Hey, what's up? What's up? What'd you say?
where was the alert on that last one on BMY? Where was the alert that you set?
5287.
53. What are you talking about? That's great.
Alright, my bad.
Yeah. You're a bad boy. Sorry.
Hey,
Nah.
yo, bro, don't talk to me like that.
Whoa, whoa.
You said it was 53. Wait, can you put your
I want
line?
to see more meat. I want to see more of that meat.
What?
What?
Wait.
I've been saying that all weekend, dude.
So that green line, that's your alert, right?
Mm-hmm.
And it's at 5287, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, the
Why
alert
did you say 53?
The alert is
Yeah,
not.
you lied
at
to
52. Sorry, no. The alert is.
Oh,
at
okay.
50, I thought you said 50. It's at 53.
53.
Right,
Okay.
and then 57 is. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck you got that actually. Hold on.
Me?
Yeah, you might have. I don't know. Maybe you might.
No,
have.
look at the green thing at the right.
Yes, it's 5287.
It says 5287.
That is that alert, but he tried to put it on the cost.
Yeah, I put it.
Oh.
I don't want it going off
Okay.
breaks.
Oh, okay. That makes a lot of sense. So 53.
Mm-hmm. Exactly.
I want to see more meat. I want to see more of that.
Gross.
What the dog doing?
Got access to the sound booth.
Yeah, I don't know who's doing that.
My pastor is so fucking cool.
All right.
I got you.
I do.
Yes, that one.
All right. What's next?
Avocados from Mexico.
LLY.
Finish your sentences. Jesus. Go. So does it have empty space? Yes. Is it pulling back to that fucking floor like a water flow? Yes. So what does that mean for me? Probably take a fucking bounce, right? Now, the 24-hour, it looks like it might dip a little bit more, my friends. Hold on, let's see. Hold on. I was too zoomed out. Too zoomed in. Zoom. 793.56. Does that empty space? Yes, it does. Maybe a little more, but honestly, I'm not really gonna like bank on that trend. I'd still probably try and take that bounce back up to 850, and I think that provides decent risk to reward. The contracts, though, not so sure. Yeah. I mean, that's really it. Bounce trade, if you write it down, it's a bounce trade. I love the level, though. 793.50. All right. What's next, brother?
TMO. T.
See why your homies make fun of your English. I'm just messing. I'm just kidding.
What? Don't start that shit, dude. Don't fucking start that shit. Ain't no way, dude.
I'm laughing. You coming?
Oh shit.
You want more beer, but you've already drank. That sounds like an alcoholic's problem. Damn. I'll get you some help. I'm just kidding. I'll be done in a little bit. Probably a couple more, maybe like 10 hours. I don't know. 612. I don't know where the fuck you found this one. Is this? Oh, these are the Thermo Fisher cups. My son.
This is Health Tech. Health Tech.
They make cups. They make a lot more than cups. I don't even know what to say, dude. This chart is fucking crazy looking. Obviously, the fact that you've been at this wall so many goddamn times, I think is worth fucking acknowledging, because that adds to this trade. And then the one box that you have up above you has a 645 cost basis. So on your way out, as you've ripped here, you know, that would be one of my first thoughts. Is this something that I would want to trade long? Sure. And I'm not aiming for anything other than fucking 700. So that's how I feel about that right there.
How far out?
4 months. Fuck that, maybe even 780. Nice and channel. But anyway, yeah, no, 700 would be the first target.
MDT. MDT.
Very good. I don't like this one at all, unless it falls underneath that 7615 floor, and that's it. And then once you get down there, you have another box right there. So from here to there. Until then, set a fucking alert. Do I like the upside? Absolutely not. Could it go? If it started grinding up there, maybe, because then it would open up, you know, that breakout potential into $100, but that's gotta do. I need to learn this, bro. I'm right here, dude. The Potterbuff Workshop is. You start watching that shit tonight. All right.
What level is that floor?
7615.
Under it, sorry. Or yeah.
7668.
Okay.
What's my strategy? It's called the Potterbox strategy. If you want to learn more about it, it's on YouTube. But it's how we make big, delicious gains.
Colleen stepped up and did communications component.
And you'd be aiming for the cost basis of that one, right? That's your target.
I would let runners run the cost basis. I typically get out of most of the trade at the top.
Okay. Cool.
For about 4.5, 5 years now. I don't know how to say your name, dude. That's an Arabic word. And I also don't know how to... Black Dazer. There we go. Big yummy wummy Potter trades. Can you never say that again? Thanks. All right. What's next?
GLW.
No, that has empty space. I remember playing Corning. That's fucking damn. Don't they make the Don't they make enamel?
That was cornhole.
I could barely hear you, Big O, but
yeah, dude, Big O is in.
Whenever he's saying something, I just know it's that
dude.
It's talking from a walkie-talkie.
For real. Well. You got gaps underneath you. You got empty space underneath you. could definitely see this coming down. I could definitely see. My granny has Corning dishes. Fire. Should I sell some NVIDIA covered calls till I wait till... Stephen, Julia, I think that you should take the time to learn and quit making mistakes or asking other people, and whether you trust me or not, you need to be operating outside of something that makes sense to you. That's not investing, that's gambling. No matter if it's covered calls or not. I wouldn't want to fucking deal with that shit, so that's my thoughts, man. Just take the time. I'd say this to anybody, guys. If you're new and what you're doing is not working, you feel lost, stop doing it. Just say, that was wrong, and then go look at the evidence that people provide for the strategies that they teach, right? If it's on Google, though, you're probably fried, so... Anyway, there's your floor up above you, by the way. That's going to be 4381. So... Yeah, Steven, I'm not really sure. If you're way up on it and you feel like it's a good place to take profit, then I would go ahead. Maybe, I don't know if you can, like trim some of that or something. I don't know. Do what you got to do. But I do see it going back up. I mean, anything underneath 109.50 is going to keep falling. But it's definitely not giving any major green flags yet. Anything above 115.60 is an upside move. So, all right. Now, ANFT, right? Is that the next one?
Yeah. Yep.
No.
I can't really tell.
Damn.
Okay. Yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry. Okay. So I don't remember doing that analysis, but it bounced off of that. Well, being in profit doesn't mean anything. Being in profit is just a product of, being in trades. But being at your target and taking profit there, that's a fucking job well done. So, I mean, I've been in profit. I'll let shit go back down to fucking zero and stomp out before I pinch pennies and worry about $30. If I can make that shit at a lemonade stand, I ain't fucking with it. Okay, so does it have more empty space? It does. It appears that it is holding above this 309.88, and underneath that, you have another leg down to 109.50.
So what?
301.50 and 4 hour. Okay, that's what I needed right there. Floor 327.14, right? Definitely has a nice channel. So, I mean, yeah, is this making the watch list? Probably not. But if it does reclaim 327.50, I think that could make for a really interesting move back up. Yeah, if you're going into earnings, dude, don't fucking do that. Yeah, hell no. All right. Any transportation?
Yeah.
Okay.
So there's still.
Can we do like energy?
Yeah, we didn't do energy. Jose did finance. I got that ready. Marcel. So we go as long as you want.
Yeah.
I mean, there's a lot of charts here.
You might have to have you take over a little bit. How long we've been live? Really, it's been 2 hours. So.
I mean, I think we should probably just run through. What aren't you wanting to use this to like really find the stuff that's this week ready?
Yeah, and I don't. So
yeah,
I mean, I'm trying to check this.
Some of these lists are big, so I'm going through Jose's.
Maybe we
I'm
can
finding the good one.
Skip the ones
Well,
that are.
and I'm just saying, put the other ones on the list. That deserve to be watched, but that are like weeks away from its potential.
This one's not ready yet. This one's a break over 244.47, and I leave it at that. So. Yeah, let's see if we can find the ones for this week. UPS. Now that one could be this week, but it is really weak at the floor. It looks like it could fucking box out. It's got to get out of this fucking little channel. If it can do that, then I love UPS. This one can make the list. I can see the charts now. There you go. All right. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. It looks good. But it does need it just needs a better oomph or move up. We'll have to look at that one pretty much intraday. Right? It doesn't have a real trigger, but it does have empty space. It should be on watch on Monday. So, all right. And FedEx obviously coming in next. Yes, but not today, right? Not tomorrow, maybe into the week. We need to punch down below this mark. And honestly, on the 4 hour, it says that it's 295.50 that it has to be broken, and then a loss of 290, and then you can start looking at taking FedEx short. But as of right now, the opposite could be said, where you might have a channel, or you might be just be sitting here. Hold on a second. Yeah, you are. You're trying to hold yourself up above a box. So, yo, what the fuck? Thank you for the gift, Mustafa. Mustafa?
Mufasa.
No, it's not Mufasa. That's crazy though.
Mustafa?
No, he's in the Discord. Mustafa or Mustafa?
Yeah, he's Asian.
Mustafa. Okay, that's badass, dude. Mustafa sounds like somebody who slice somebody in half.
All right, the next one was finance. I siphoned through Jose's just down to 4. BRK.B,
Berkshire Hathaway. It's American
Yes, sir.
staple. Okay, so immediately 24-hour all-time highs. Downside, yes, right? So is this a today trade? No. We were pretty far away from losing that floor. We're maybe carrying a... Watch this. So maybe a move up there. How do we figure that out? We move down here. We can see the empty space pop up. So yeah, I could see 443. We'll see what it does with this downtrend channel, but what it really is doing is building a box. And once it leaves that box, if it gets pulled back into it, then you could take that punch down and get that retest pullback on Berkshire Hathaway. Otherwise, maybe new rippies. Although it does like to retest every time. When it breaks out like that, typically you come back down and you retest. It looks like it has the potential to do that as well. So, Gavin, you being unprofitable and not good at trading is such BS. That's what's BS. You taking signals is probably BS. You working your job is probably BS. What else you want to say? All right.
Marcelo,
Anyway,
you only had those 2, correct?
Me? You talking to me, Jorge?
Yeah. How many did you have?
I have a couple of them that I kind of wanted to bring up. I could just post them all. Hold on.
I looked at 3. The 3 that you posted. PCAR is the only other one that looks good. Where were you though? I think SCHW finance.
I didn't. Oh.
Otter.
sorry, I was reading. What's up?
SCHW. This one might not be right away, but there's above us.
This one might be a grind up, but it still looks good. I think it should be on the watch list, I guess. Yeah, the way that it moves is not my favorite. There it is. So I got this little channel. I got this box. Oh shit, that was a laugh from Harry Potter. Weird. Sideways box action happening here. You've got the first fucking green candle to your left. So it is 67.40. Above that, sure. So write down Schwab, 67.40, and or bounce off of maybe one of these trend lines. But you are in this fucking channel that's holding on you. So
Here you go, Jorge. I just sent them all in the
we
charts.
trade cues all the time, dude. What'd you say?
Talking to Jorge.
Oh,
I just sent it.
Your target 74.
What'd you say, dude?
Target.
74.10, right?
Jorge,
No,
spin it up.
He's saying the target on your chart. What's your target?
Yeah.
For Schwab?
Oh, none of your business. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Sorry for cussing. 67.50. If you open above that, then my target's probably going to be around the $69, $70 range. Yeah.
Yeah, so 67.50, 70, and then like what, 74?
Yeah, all the way up, all the way to 72.30. I don't know. I would, yeah, maybe let runners go in for that 1, 2, 3. Part of me feels like it needs to do that, right? This shit right here before it does that, because look at, like, it doesn't really. Yeah, I feel like it would be great if it actually pulled back and like allowed it for us to get. I mean, yeah, when I look at this, it's almost like, fuck, dude, I wish you would go. And pull that number, right? I see that happening, extending. Motherfucker. Extending trend. And having it, wow, that's crazy. And having it look like that, right? Where then it allows for that bigger move, and you've had the consolidation to do it. So we're going to be careful on that one, because Schwab isn't one to just bounce and rip. It bounces and chops, and you can see that. Don't ask me. I mean, it literally bounce, chop, 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 right? It always comes out of those chop zones. So, all right, let's keep going.
USB.
I'm in them cheeks. All right, USB. Right, Marcel? Tell
Me? What the fuck?
him. Oh.
Yo, I've been quiet, man. Don't drag me into the shenanigans.
You're in them, dude. Welcome.
Damn.
Yeah, I see $49 or $50 tap. I see this one hitting $50. You are weekly up against this wall. What do I think about GameStop? Go get a scratch-off ticket, brother. I feel like it's a waste of your time, man. Sorry. Just a cult thing, man. Just a cult thing. Break free. 45.86 USB. And I wouldn't be aiming. I'd be aiming for $50. Yeah, if you're gonna take it there. Make sure you have a good stop loss on that. Not a day trade, I don't think. Definitely a swing trade. All right, what's next, Poppy?
MET. Jesus Christ. Sorry.
Hey Google. How do I say avocado daddy in Spanish?
Aguacate.
Aguacate papi.
Avocado. Should I change my name right now, dude? That's funny, dude.
Oh God, that's crazy. You had the exact same thought at the same time. That's crazy. That's crazy. Thank you, Google. That's enough. Hey Google.
Google just thinks you're Spanish now.
Oh, cool. Can you hear
Yo,
her?
that kind of sounds saucy.
Yeah, right. That's no. You got to change it to the agugate papi.
Oh.
Got to be authentic, dude.
Oh shit.
I have $200, but lost in 2 minutes. Damn. Can't be getting them $2 or those 2-minute trades, man. You need a big long trade.
That's what she said.
Hey yo.
Okay. All right.
I don't think it's got to be like that though. You know what I'm saying?
I'm gonna have to hold 2 separate meetings, dude. One for gentle folk and one for you hooligans.
Yeah, hooligans.
Oh my god.
Bro
does not know stop loss. What are you talking about?
I love that.
What's the 1000% play with a good earnings week? Give me the goods. Oh, that's actually, we should end with that shit. All right, anything that you just see glaring that looks perfect, empty space, spit it out right now, because we should probably go look at earnings this week. Because I'm about to go. Woo-hoo! I'm about to. Oh yeah. I'm about to fucking.
Can you look at CCJ? Yeah, CCJ.
You nervous, dude? Did I scare you?
No, I was just
a little bit.
Yeah, I'm a little scared, bro.
Yo. Where's your cojones, boys?
Skilled.
Yeah, dude, this earnings is.
Scary kid.
One of these earnings is gonna make me a bag. I got $5,000 that I transferred to a separate account, and I don't care what happens to it. I've already mentally detached from it. It's getting thrown at this shit, and whatever I make off of it goes into the next earnings. So, what do I think about GameStop? Nothing. I think it's trash, dude. I think you should go somewhere else. Get out of here. Not like get out of the GameStop. Go trade. Find a new one, man. There's different.
Yeah, like AMC.
Shut up.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he's a dick. I mean, addicted.
All right. Anyway, Jorge, what do we got, Lex? Anything that looks just
MET finishes off finance. So that's just the last
MET.
one for finance.
MEG.
This one looks a little
right?
weird. Has it got empty space, maybe possibly below, not
all-time
You wanna
high
skip this one?
77.44. You've already wicked off of it. Channel.
Okay, so then
Bam. Bam. There you go. Box underneath you. No square. Bam. That's a self-explanatory trade right there. You don't need me. All right. Anyway, there we go.
PCAR. This
By the
is
way-
going to Marcel's.
By the way,
Oh,
no, I would
hello.
not trade that. PC. What?
You
AR.
wouldn't trade, mate.
That's the only one I think looks alright.
Yeah, I think PC looks good. Yeah.
Maybe our
No, I would not trade that, man. I would not.
Alrighty. Cool.
No, not this one. I'm talking about the one that he just asked me about.
Yeah, that's. I mean, your sector was pretty shitty, Marcel.
Yep.
To be honest with you.
Yep. I tried to make a mountain out of a molehill, but I got a couple that I thought looked good, but I don't know.
That's what dung beetles do. So I see that. Yeah, this is trash. Maybe a punch down. There's empty space down there. Don't talk to me until it gets there. Till it loses the fucking 93.50 floor. It's just that simple.
Cool.
Okay.
Anne Hathaway. I turn into her at midnight. I gotta hurry up.
All right. So the only sectors left that were assigned were technology sectors and energy. Steel, you got a lot for energy. I think it would be better to.
Yeah,
look
yeah.
at some,
So you can start out, Potter. You can start out with CCJ. I'll just look through my list and tell you.
Okay.
You're picking the ones that look good.
Do people,
Yeah.
These are not trend lines, by the way. These are channels, and yes, people make a lot of money with those.
No.
So yeah. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. All right. Sorry. All right. Go ahead and say that again, dude.
CCJ.
Man, how many tickers did I chart tonight?
Like a lot, like 100 or something.
Buttload.
I'm bench pressing stocks right now.
1 million. What's up, guys?
The Buster.
Just got back from kids' party. It was
Stevio
dope.
tried to say that me and you sound alike.
Bro,
Yeah, dude.
Bro,
What was
do.
I want you guys to
There's no way.
Did you accept that compliment?
say this right now. I want a ham sandwich with pepperoncinis. Both of you say it.
What?
Just say it.
I want a ham sandwich with pepperoncinis.
All right, next.
I want a ham sandwich with pepperoncinis.
Not very
No,
close.
dude.
Very close.
Hey, right?
Close.
Okay, I'm not tripping.
It's close.
Y'all are weird, bro. I don't know.
Maybe a few extra Marlboros. You know, maybe a little nervous. Not kidding.
A little more Marlboros.
I haven't smoked in 22 years, so
Kidding, man.
It's
Nah,
been
yeah,
like
everybody mistakes me for like Alex or Jorge or Pekka. So not today. All right, yeah. Okay, next one is APA. Are you gonna switch to another one? Okay.
Sure. The audio broke again? No, it's back. It's back. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, Mike should be fine. Wow, damn. No, not right now, but yes, above 32.71 for empty space up to 34. But all right. Next.
The next one is BKR. This one's a little different. I feel like it's more of like a TTI type play, but it's yeah. The last time it was this high was like 27 last year, 23, and then yeah.
You should send that to TTI and tell them to pay you.
Okay, I'm gonna ask for 50K. Thanks.
Yo, you should text him and be like, if I send you a ticker, will you give me a percentage of your gains? I just want to see what he's saying. He's gonna
say fuck you. I mean, he's gonna say frick you and block me.
you, dude. That would be so funny.
I thought that's what we were doing here.
You gotta pay him.
Okay, so 38.22 is that top, right? With the wicks coming off of 38.60. So that's that top, and then what's above you? And on the weekly, I don't see empty space. I just see tops. I don't see any boxes. I just see fucking tops. So that either can be a really good thing, which would allow you to run up into that $47 mark and maybe even that $50 mark. So is it a long play? Yes, it is something that, yes, could be potentially tradable by tomorrow, but it's something that I would say this week you would have to keep an eye on for sure. So
what do you think about $50 calls on that for January?
I would do that. Would be an appropriate strike, yeah, especially above that $38, $37, $38 mark. Yeah,
$50 calls are 30. You might can even get them for 25 cents.
Yeah, I think that's tangible. Yeah, for January would be fine. All right, what's next?
BTU.
All right, last. How many more you got?
We can end it there.
I'm gonna go ahead and do earnings real quick, just so we can kind of briefly brush through that. And I'm gonna fucking speed chart. I'm gonna chart as fast as I can. I'm gonna show out.
Relax.
Charting speed run.
Not today, motherfucker.
All right.
All right, have a good night.
21.44. But even then, you have $20 underneath that, 20.82, and then I just take it straight to the floor. If you're gonna take it anywhere, take it to the floor. But that's garbage. Would I ever trade crypto? Yeah, time ain't right. I don't know. Being autistic.
I was thinking maybe like April Fools, you should just trade crypto.
Yeah, maybe I'll open up the day with a fucking pull the brokerage up and pull Bitcoin up and Ron Jeremy coin and
yeah.
All right, so we've already charted these for Monday, folks, and I think I went ahead and I stopped there. So I'm going to really briefly touch over everything here. SoFi, nope. Oh, hold on a second. Let's do the weekly. In time. Maybe. The potential is there for an earnings trade. But it's only apparent on the monthly, which means that it's probably going to take a fuck ton of time afterwards. I know the contracts are cheap, so why not? There's empty space to 14.25, so I'm going to go ahead and peel off my earnings one. SoFi, I'll probably throw, I don't know, maybe, again, I'm playing with 5,000 this week, so I'd throw $200, knowing I can get plenty of money or contracts out of it, even just that. All right, that's enough. All right, move next. Pfizer, BP, we already did Pfizer. I didn't really care for that one too much. Does that look good for earnings though?
Huh?
Maybe. 1, 2, 3. I mean, it doesn't look like an earnings stock. Yeah, it doesn't move very well in earnings. Okay, moving on.
Yeah, so the only sector we didn't really finish was Alex's, the technology sector. I was trying to save it for last. There's a lot going on.
Well, I'm watching tech, so I've already done mine.
Otherwise, anyone that did it, I appreciate you doing it.
Yeah, good job. Thank you, everybody. By the way,
I like doing these a lot, man.
All this stuff pays off for everybody. Those of you guys who go out and try to help.
Yep.
And also,
So we just went through like 10 sectors, pretty sure. 7, 8, or 9.
All right, there we go.
That was dope. Good.
Yeah. Oh yeah. All right, there we go. So Merck earnings. Does it have good earnings? That's the question. Earnings. No. Kind of. What the fuck happened to Merck? It's gone. It does not look like a great earnings trade. Nope. I want big movers. Huh? You want these? Is your room clean? I don't believe that. I don't believe it. I love you though. All right, we're getting that room clean tonight. I'm telling you.
You're not my father.
I will be. Once your mom hits me back, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Start the beef. Start the beef. Start the beef.
Well, nah. All right. Why do I say things? Nope.
Astro box.
Nope. I need a big ripper. Give me a fucking ripper. Can I just quit fucking with me? Pins, go. Yes. 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 Pinterest on the watch list. Watch list or Target. Oh God. Turn my music high. Yo, fuck off. Sorry. There we go. Alright. Yeah, maybe down to the floor at $28. Pins, 28 down. And 51 up. Alright, on average, how many days at the computer during the week trading? More than I'd like, but I don't even know, dude. I would say probably 6 hours. 6 hours, probably, something like that. Which, I mean, I used to fucking pull 15 or 14 fucking hour days when I did tiling. It's just light work. For the amount I make, yeah. When I trade during the week, sometimes it's 3 hours a day or something like that. But anyway, Pinterest looks good. Moving on. Pinterest, First Solar, doesn't move. That's all I want to know. I just want to know if it fucking moves. If it doesn't move, I don't care. Doesn't move. We find out on tonight's episode. It does move afterwards. God dang. Juicy. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, yeah, nope. Yeah. So it's gathered more liquidity lately, and it does have more empty space. So, I mean, I'd say there's a target to the downside of 195. I'll write it down tentatively to look at...
Hey, Potter.
Yep.
You think you could do Snap next? They have earnings this week.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I've already given my target on this one. I think, so we'll write that one down as well. Snap targets are going to be... Aw, fuck yeah. Thank you. I'm about to run to the store for you. I can't eat that with this shirt on? Oh, I know. They're like riding. Thank you. That's on YouTube. 1175. Peyton is the boss. All right. I think you guys got it twisted here.
No, they don't exactly. Calm down there.
I'll get into an argument right now.
Fucking bring it.
Come over here. Come on camera. See, I'm protected by this camera. She can't touch me. She won't touch me. She won't touch me because she won't get on camera.
But as soon as the camera's off.
Oh, really?
But I'm just not going to.
Wow, that was crazy. She said there would be more people if she got on there, but she could help me. She just doesn't want to.
Damn.
That's crazy.
It helps Rusty.
It helps Rusty, right? It does help Rusty. I don't need that. I don't need that.
Yeah, he like forces it.
Blink twice if
He's
you're
like,
not okay.
I'm good. And he's like, no, you're doing it.
I'm fine.
He told people she had a price.
I'm sure she does. To him, I'm sure.
Hey, what'd you say your targets were on Snap? I might have missed them.
It's you, Daddy. I'm sorry. 1175,
Hey,
and
yo,
then.
what the fuck?
I think he felt some type of way after that one.
I think I added too much too much sauce in that when he got lost in it. That's crazy.
Or did you get lost?
Wild.
I say 880 if you're going crazy. Yo, Ivy, you're not supposed to be working right now. She said, "Damn, clip that." No.
What the fuck?
Ivy.
She's putting the capital O in OT.
Yeah, right. All right, now I know, dude. Now I know. Said after the live.
Avocados from Mexico.
All right. Anyway, we have fun in here. I almost got fitted for a suit yesterday. And I literally said to myself, I said, for what? When am I going to use this shit? Although I did look pretty fly in that shit. That shit was fire. I got to buy a suit for a wedding soon. Yeah, I gave you my targets, right? 1175 nearest. Upside, I don't know. Other than $21 would be the only target to the upside. That's a straddle. So I like that one. All right. And I feel like I can go ahead and stop in here because we'll go ahead and chart those tomorrow. Yo, I'm going to short BA.
Yo.
Maybe.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna straddle BA going into earnings. Holy fuck!
When's earnings?
This week. So, look at this. Look at this 24-hour channel.
Oh, true.
Tap, 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 tap. Too many taps. Something's got to break. Channel down. Big fat dumpy. 155. Big fat rippy. Cost basis 207. Alright, so I like that one. Oh, I've skipped EA.
It's in the game.
Mm-hmm. It's got a minute though. Alright, anything else? Anything else that somebody thinks that's just ultimate, just has to fucking get charted immediately? Might go long on Wingstop because that ranch. Holy fucking empty space. No way. I will do that.
Way.
I will do that.
So will I.
I'll do it more. Yeah. I want that. I need that. Gator, what are you thinking on this one, dude?
Make it say,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh.
Go, Gator, what do you think?
Whose toes do I got?
Oh, he likes it too. Perfect. All right, so it's all love, baby. Oh my god.
I'm gonna call Rick Ross the boss and tell him to go all in.
Oh my god. Yeah, so 345.60. I might actually we might do we like that. We like that. The shit's wings are gonna get clipped. That's a good one. All right. Boing. You want me to chart Boing? I just did BA. It has earnings this week, man. I am potentially looking for a nasty short to the downside. It is, dude. It could drop to, yeah. Wait, well, oh, I'm flipped upside down. It could.
The
Let's go.
contracts on wings are expensive.
Are they really? No
Super, yeah.
Fuck off.
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa.
$20 per contract, or $20, $20.10. I mean.
Okay, so $2,000. Yeah.
Yeah.
We might be able to find something. It might move pretty big. I would go. I mean, with that amount of empty space and a punch back to the downside, I'd be aiming at least for 275. What do those look like?
275s.
Yeah.
$1.50.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Some of this shit is so expensive, dude. All right.
They don't have weeklies. It's August 16th.
Yeah, I see that. All right, folks. Well, I feel like we did a pretty fucking good job. Now, not a lot. Listen, let's have a moment here. We have a couple more sectors we'll dig into tomorrow. Obviously, I look at electronic technology every damn day. I want to just warn everybody, if you are under a year or two with trading, it's going to get wicked. All right, it is earnings season, right? And the trend is down. This could amplify that already established trend, or could reverse that trend, and we're in that space where that is a factor. But it does not mean that this stock market is not going to whip your ass, because if you personally, I think that a lot of these things will open up at the same time, right? Our watch list should grow, and I think about 3 weeks ago, my watch list was so fucking long. I was in like 9 different trades at one point. I think 13 was the most out of what in one day. Those were not day trades, but swing trades. That momentum, and the elections are coming. Whatever. I don't even talk about that shit because it didn't really even matter to me. Not a lot looks good, right? Not a lot looks good. A lot of shit looks bearish, and that's just the way that it is, right? So we have to start. You either sit on the sidelines or you flip your fucking chart upside down and you start trying to do this shit the other way around, right? It's not much different. It's the same thing, and it is absolutely okay that we watch and look at these things with an inverted chart. But don't get it twisted, guys. Even if we are going to be legging down, even that can cause... when you get fast legs down, the bounces are tough. And if you're trying to chase shit to the bottom, even tougher. So let's focus this week. It may be that we don't end up doing anything at all. And a lot of you trade every single day, and I'm talking to you right now. If you trade every single day, no matter what, and you know it, and you know that you know it, this could be the week that you put your fucking foot down and you stop with the bullshit and you start actually trading the empty space that is in front of you when it shows up. I have CVS, Dollar General, Pepsi, IFF, UPS, Schwab, IPG, TSN. The highlight out of that one was mostly CVS. Dollar General looks kind of interesting. UPS, I think, was another highlight there. And then for earnings right now, you know, till Wednesday, I've got SoFi pins for Solar, Snap, Wing. But as far as, right, when we were able to go to a chart and say, I want that, and this is how I get it, right? That's how we do this. We have the trigger and the target. If it doesn't look like that, that means, and if you can't find that, maybe reduce your risk this week. Use less. But nothing is going to change unless you do something different. Anyway, if anybody has any questions, let me know now.
Moderna!
Oh, wow. That's not a question, but I hear you.
Wait, how'd you invert your chart?
Por favor, señor. You motherfucker.
Oh my god. Anyway, well, Gator, what'd you say?
How'd you invert your chart like that?
Bottom right hand corner. Or you can do Alt-I. Alt-I.
You can right click.
That didn't work. Yeah, I am going to post this to YouTube, yes.
Okay, I got you.
If you right click on your the scale, and then it just says invert scale.
Yeah.
There you go.
Appreciate it, man.
No problem. All right, so let's be disciplined this week. It's not a fucking casino. We know we can make absolutely butt tons of cash, but we need to wait for shit that looks good. Moderna does look good for a punchback up into this empty space. I will endorse that one. That one will make the watch list. I'm writing that down now. MRNA. That one's a probably 2 to 3 day wait. And I think that by Wednesday, maybe a lot more opens up. Okay? So
Are we gonna post the highlights of what we went over?
Sure. I mean, if you want to go ahead and open those, make sure that you don't make them private, though. If you want to open up threads above live trading like we did last week, please post the shit that looks good. It's not just, don't just post the crap. If it's 3 or 4 weeks out, save it for another chart, right? Or another channel. Post what we like this week. Okay, we know what that looks like. Moderna triggers right here, 123.55. Target is 132. Runners 135.21. That's what we want. Clarity, not hard, simple.
You got it, boss.
Punch through 135.25, 142.50, and 149. So, all right, guys. Appreciate you guys showing up. Appreciate you putting in the work. I will see you guys tomorrow morning around 8:30.
Fuck yeah.
And I'll answer a few questions here on TikTok, and then I'll be out. So, do I want? No, I don't want any. Thank you, baby. I appreciate you being so nice and thinking of me. Appreciate you. All right, guys. I'll see you later. Peace. No problem.
Peace out.
All right. If you guys are on TikTok, if you guys have any questions, you guys can DM me in the Discord. This week, again, we're going to be watching a lot of earnings. We're going to be focused on that empty space up above us. If you guys are trying to learn my system and you want to get with the rest of the group here and be a part of the hive mind, you guys can obviously sign up through my website. That is simplestacksinvestments.com. Right here, simplestacksinvestments.com, or the Discord. And remember, if you are one of the, I have 5 more spots. If you get the PBS workshop, it comes with 5 months inside of the Discord instead of the 4. So you get 5 fucking months and all of my education for free. That's on here. That's it. If you guys are trying to catch up with us or get with the program, that's what we're doing. So if you guys have any questions, shoot me a DM on Discord, shoot me a DM on IG. I'm excited about earnings this week. I think we're going to make a lot of money. So hopefully you guys can tune in then tomorrow around 8:30. But I'm out. Y'all have a good night. Peace out. Thank you for watching. My. Yeah. No problem. Please DM me if you do sign up, though. Please DM me. Let me know what you got going on. So, all right. Peace out.